What's the difference between a bear market rally and something more substantial?
Well, it's hard to tell at first, but I think that, a bear market rally is just a little bit of a relief rally or a position-driven rally, driven more by kind of selling fatigue than anything else. I mean, I think what's interesting now is that, the question is, where will the market bottom? When will the market bottom? I think the range of outcomes is actually, the floor on the market is actually, not as horrific relative to today's levels as one might imagine. So here we are at around 4,000, and we calculate that a floor on the market is 3,200, even in a recession case. So I think the idea here is pick your spots. Maybe we're not at the absolute bottom, but there are some areas within the equity market that are likely to be, some of the best opportunities, some of the best entry points that we'll see in this sell-off. So that's our view, is sort of focus on the spots within the market rather than just calling where the market bottoms out as a whole.
And just to be clear, Savita, just on the market from the headline number on the S&P, your base case is not a recession, right?
Exactly. Our base case is not a recession. Our base case is that some of this inflation pressure that we're seeing abates. We think that cash on balance sheets is healthy for corporates and consumers. I think the fact that we're getting this question from clients, give me a reason to be bullish, is a bullish sign. I mean, folks are bearish out there, and sentiment indicators have turned to a point where it would indicate that there are more bears than bulls in the market, and that is usually a better sign of a bottom than when there are more bulls than bears.